From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dry air ruining your sleep and exacerbating your allergies? What if I told you there's a solution that can bring you relief? The PureGuardian 2-gallon ultrasonic warm and cool humidifier is here to change that. This powerful device is designed to provide a soothing warm or cool mist that can cover rooms up to 380 square feet and runs for up to 100 hours, giving you a comfortable and cozy environment. With its easy-fill 2-gallon tank, you can enjoy a peaceful night's sleep without any interruptions. The ultrasonic technology disperses a gentle mist into the air, creating a calming atmosphere that's perfect for relaxation. The aromatherapy tray option allows you to add your favorite essential oils, filling the air with a refreshing scent that promotes serenity. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. The silver clean protection and UVC light features work together to reduce germs and keep your humidifier tank clean, giving you a cleaner mist and peace of mind. The night light, 12-hour timer, and 3-speed settings make it easy to customize the humidifier to your needs, while the auto shut-off and low water indicator light ensure safe and efficient operation. Whether you're looking to alleviate dry skin, congestion, or just want to create a cozy atmosphere, this humidifier is the perfect solution. Its ultra-quiet operation and multi-directional mist make it ideal for use while you sleep, and its compact design fits seamlessly into any room, making it a must-have for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality and overall well-being. With its numerous features and benefits, it's no wonder this product is so well-reviewed, so why not give it a try and start enjoying a more comfortable and relaxing home environment today? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.